guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I did my sort of like classic soft everyday waves tutorial again for like the millionth time. I would just, like I said, I wanted to do it and update it and do hey, this is my hair, it is longer and blonder, and also it'd be easier to find than having to go through all my videos and locate it. So that was the updated one, and I also said I was going to do my beachy waves tutorial. Some of you probably looking at me right now thinking your hair literally looks the exact same. Yeah, like it does look very similar, not gonna lie. But the curls are, here I am trying to convince myself, ever so slightly thinner. That's because I have used this wand. This is, so these, like, this is a Tresemme perfectly undone waves wand. Every time I use this one, I'm like, oh no, this is my favorite way to curl my hair. But then every time I use my other wand from my other video, I'm like, no, this is my favorite way to curl my hair. And I really feel it with that one. So yeah, this one's probably second. But this one works this one works really well on shorter hair. So if you've got shorter hair, the barrel's thinner, it's slightly more flatter in one way, I think, maybe, I don't know. No, I'm staring at, like, I'm trying to, I don't know, okay, I don't know. But basically, yeah, your hair, if it's a bit shorter, will go around it obviously a lot easier, and you'll get more of a curl going on, and it holds like a little bit better than the other one might. But anyway, these curls are a bit tighter. They do tend to drop out. I like, once curling it, to kind of like put my hands through it a little bit. I'll hairspray it and then put my hands through it and kind of like go like that, just to sort of like pull it out a little bit and mess it and kind of give it a bit more of a messy, mermaidy look about it. Anyway, there we go, have a little look about how I achieved this look. Once again, for full disclaimer, I do have hair extensions in. I have about 8 to 10 tape extensions of Remy Cachet extensions I changed from Beauty Works recently, and hair extensions definitely tend to keep a curl better than your own hair does. So anyway, I'm gonna show you how I did this now, so yeah. thank you so much for watching my beachy-ish kind of mermaidy wave hair tutorial video. Thank you. I've already said thank you. I'm really hungry and only hungry and you can't think properly. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos and follow me on Instagram at Sophie_Milner_FS, and I'll be back very soon with a new video. Laters. Waste all your breath.